Hey there, fellow road warriors and automotive adventurers. Welcome to MotorElation. This is the place where your love for all things automotive takes center stage. Whether you're into muscle cars, classic beauties, or cutting-edge technology, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up and join our community of passionate car enthusiasts. Together, we'll explore, learn, and celebrate the incredible world of cars. Ready for the ride? Let's get started. For us at MotorElation, it's not just about horsepower or the 0 to 60 time. It's about the stories behind the wheel, heart-pounding thrills, and the bond we form with our vehicles. We dive into the lives of diverse car enthusiasts, exploring the passion that fuels them. Whether it's a modern machine or a timeless classic, every car has a tale to tell. These stories of first drives, epic road trips, and track day victories power our community. You'll see how these thrilling narratives come together, painting a vivid picture of our shared automotive dreams. We'll dive into the world of cars, past, present, and future. We'll explore cutting-edge technology, uncover hidden gems in automotive history, and get our hands dirty with DIY projects. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just starting your journey, this is the place to fuel your passion. Together, we'll build a vibrant community of car enthusiasts who share, learn, and thrive on everything automotive. Your curiosity drives us, and your projects inspire us. Our love for the road connects us all in extraordinary ways. So, buckle up and get ready for the ride of your life. Welcome to MotorElation, where your passion for transportation meets our commitment to innovation. Subscribe now, and let's hit the road together.